Hey, I'm Barrett, and today I want to show you Dealer Dashboard in Dealer Admin. Let's get started. Dealer Dashboard in Dealer Admin is a fantastic business tool that gives you insight into your business right from Dealer Admin. You can view things like sales trends, top 10 products purchased, virtual keypad information, and information about you as a dealer, including your dealer level, training topics, and tech support call information. Once you've signed in a Dealer Admin, on the right, click Dealer Dashboard. At the top, you'll see your trailing 12-month sales trends. This is a great way to view your sales trends this year compared to last year. Below that, you can also see your current dealer level. Let's take a look at some dealer information. If you scroll down, you'll see Dealer Overview and Dealer Information. On Dealer Overview, you get some great sales data, including your 3, 6, and 12-month sales averages, your year-to-date sales, and your year-to-date sales compared to the last 2 years. On the right, under Dealer Information, you can see some helpful dealer information, including dealer level and average days to pay. Below that, you'll see some fantastic tech support data. Here you can see how many tech support calls your team has had in the previous month, and a 3-month average. Below that, you'll see the topic most called about. This is a great insight into the topics your team may be struggling with the most. You can be proactive in scheduling a training with a DMP trainer on the topic that they call in about most. Below that, you'll also see the last time you had technical training and sales training. From here, you can see the top 10 products that you and your teams are purchasing. You can see how many you purchased last month, what your 3-month average is, and your 6-month average. This is helpful in seeing the products that your teams are purchasing and installing regularly. Another great tool in Dealer Dashboard is the ability to see the features that your teams are taking advantage of in Virtual Keypad. If you scroll down to the Virtual Keypad section, you can see several possible features of Virtual Keypad, including how many ARM-only apps versus standard apps. How many systems with cameras or Z-Wave control do I have enabled? Towards the bottom, you can see your login rate percentage. This is a great tool to see how often your customers are logging into Virtual Keypad. At the bottom of Dealer Dashboard, you can see some information on access control systems, including how many doors and how many doors with advanced reports are turned on. Let's take a look at that now. Here you can see systems with advanced reports, total doors, and doors with advanced reports. You can see that data for this month, the previous month, and the total number of those categories. This is especially helpful in seeing how many doors you have enabled in Dealer Admin versus how many doors with advanced reports. This is a great and easy upsell opportunity for your sales teams to be able to call on end users that have access control doors but are not taking the full advantage of Virtual Keypad access. All of this information is accessible at any time from Dealer Dashboard and Dealer Admin. You can also download this report at any time by clicking the Download Report icon in the top right. At the top of the Dealer Dashboard, you can click Download Report. This generates this report in real time. Once it's ready, click the link to download. This will open up a new tab in your web browser, giving you a PDF of your Dealer Dashboard. From here, you can print or download this for your records. Additionally, you can schedule this report to be sent to you on the time and date of your choosing. Let's take a look at how to set that up. At the top of Dealer Dashboard, click Schedule Report. At the top, you'll see a field that allows you to input emails you'd like to receive this report. Below that, you can set the frequency. In this case, I'd like to see this report every Monday morning at 8 a.m. Finally, you can select the time zone that you'd like to receive this report. Finally, click Save. Once you've set this up, Dealer Admin will automatically generate this report on the frequency of your choosing and email it to you and your team. That's a powerful time savings tool giving you consistent insight into your business without having to manually go to Dealer Admin. And that's Dealer Dashboard in Dealer Admin.